2 of Steve's 72. Glass adjustment time. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, there it is. All right, gonna start digging in here. First things first. Ashtray out. Easy peasy. Gonna remove this screw here. There's a screw here in the ashtray / lighter / switch. Everything. God, that's pretty. I love that in these. Once you have your ashtray, your 2 side screws, and your screw holding the ashtray in, just pull up, and that panel comes right out. And then we work up here. I'm getting the top one out, which is 2 screws. And then we can access our adjusters. Lower panel out here. I got basically what would be a considered moisture barrier folded down. It's a lot easier to access and get the top panel out when you take the trim that goes up along the roof rail out. And it's including just loosening up the top of the A-pillar trim, 1 screw, pull that down, and then this comes down, and then pull this out, and you're good to go. A lot easier access. So our next step here, we're gonna be adjusting our glass. Need to try to get it inward more than anything, and forward as well. But we'll get it up, we'll check it, and we'll go from there. Right. Sorry, I got the car running so I can use the battery. But look at the glass itself. I'm on the money. I mean, I'm nicer than the other side. Closes good. Sorry, bad video. Making sure our window's up all the way. The alignment is perfect now. It had to come up and forward quite a bit. You can see the dirt. It's hard to see it, but it's there. It's a solid 1/4 of an inch forward now. But driver's side up and down, but as soon as we start going, look, stays put. But we bind a little bit on the front still, just minor adjustment now. So I got it all adjusted and bitchin' and nice, and it worked good. It went up and down once without catching, but then I noticed the glass is moving. So I gotta dig in and see what the hell that is. Corner of the glass. See how it stays square? Let me show you the passenger door. What's the corner? See how it's rocking? That regulator needs to be rebuilt. That's the only way we're gonna get it to stop doing this. I mean, we got it close enough to where we can live with it a while, but it's gonna keep doing it like that unless that regulator gets rebuilt. That's a big old headache though.